production.
And broke at the end of the week. Bills due, the situation is bleak. No sleep, stomach rumbling, hunger pain, struggling, mumbling to myself, I don't want none of this. None of this heartache, none of this stress. Feeling like I'm cursed. Mom told me I was blessed. Just a broke college graduate with so much potential. Living below average is fucking with my mental. Cause I went by the book and did things the right way. Should've been a crook and robbed the pharmacy at Rite Aid. Cause my way ain't cutting it. About to say fuck this shit, this life thing ain't working. And I've had enough of it. Clutching to a dream where the good go unnoticed. And every verse I'm writing got me feeling like I'm hopeless. Spoken with conviction, trying to make a living. Finding it hard as hell for a man in my position.